How's it going, guys? So here's our video on today's trading, August 14th on Thursday. So we'll be looking at NQ. So we have our Asia highs and Asia lows from overnight. So we come down at 1 hour before market open on the PPI number or whatever it was. So that number was bad. So we take out the Asia lows, and then we just kind of go back into the range. We just kind of go back up into the range here. Here's a giant FEG that we just, after we take out the Asia lows, we just come back into the range. We then take out this high right up here, which is basically the Asia highs. And then we have this FEG. So once we're up here, we just come back down into the range right here on this fair value gap. So it's like really tradable price moves. It's pretty like it looks like a foregone conclusion where it's gonna go based on taking out a high or a low and then getting back into the range to equilibrium on the fair value gaps. So after that, we come back up here and just come back down into this fair value gap, and then the day basically is over. But those first couple moves were like pretty imminent and it looked very like easily to trade. So let's go to ES here. All right, so we got our Asia highs and London lows because it was after midnight. Doesn't really matter, it's just the overnight lows and highs. So on that on that PPI number, we take out, or we just come down hard. So we have this big FEG that we create. So we just come back up into the range, clean that up, and then take out this high, just like NQ. So we take out that high with a really nice wick. So then once that happens, you should just look at what's below us. So you see these two fair value gaps here. So just by design, it comes down into that range, cleans those up, and then what does it do is we're in a long-term trend on the 15 minutes. So we just come back up, bounce off these FEGs here, come back up, and we came up a little too fast, so we have another FEG right here. So we come back down, good dip by entry, and then we ended up taking the high of the day on ES. But this is just really simple trading. It was kind of a crappy like search and destroy day, but if you just look at taking out highs and lows for liquidity and just coming back into the range on some fair value gaps, it's pretty simple, and just have tight risk and stuff like that. But yeah, I think that was about it, to be honest. So yep, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you guys saw. If you guys saw something different, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.